Hi, welcome to Technology Expert World. In this video, I will show you that how to insert the data inside the Firebase store. Hereby you can see when I have run the code, there is no error inside the console. That means your code has no problem. But when you are input the data inside the database, if you get something error message like 400405, this type of message is a server error where your code is not correctly working with the database server. So you need to change the rules inside the database server. So first of all, you need to see that or experience that what kinds of problem is come out inside this code and how to solve this problem inside the database. So first look at this code or the projection of the code, that how the code is run, and there's some error is throwing from the database. So if basically there is some permission or rules inside the Firebase store, so you need to fix it up from your knowledge. Like hereby I have used some tricks and I have changed the rules. So after that you will see that how to solve the problem. So here you can see the error is ending document Firebase error. The error is posted from the 400. That means there is a error has thrown by the Firebase store database. Hereby you can see the Firebase having Firebase database, Firebase real-time database, and the Fire storage. The storage is give you a chance to store the data like image, file, any kinds of file, these types of things you can store inside the Firebase storage. So another one is Firebase Firestore database. The Firestore database is providing you a facility where you can gather or arrange the data for a lifetime of a consumers. And the third one is the real-time data, where you can fetch the data from the customer. It's you can use it as a temporary data, and you can gather all temporary data like 24 hours 72 hours data you can gather inside the real-time database and remove it from the database after the particular time. So now come to the next part, like how do I solve the problem of the Firebase. So hereby you can see there's some rules. Okay, so these rules you need to check it up and you need to change it into these rules. So rules version 2 and the service cloud.firestore. These rules you need to copy, and I will give you the rules inside the description also. So this is very easy, just copy and paste it here and just publish it. When you publish it, there is some security matter is come because like you are publicly provide the rules, like publicly using the data. Hereby you have just the example data you are using. When the data is very crucial, then you can fix it up as a key lock system. So that time you need to set up a code like where you need to give the key and it's enter for the database. So these types of rules can be used inside the Firestore, but this time for the learning purpose you need to change it and just use the code to insert the data. I hope you will guys will solve the matter, because sometimes I have seen people want to learn about the Firebase store but they have no exact solution, cause sometimes they copy the code from the YouTube or another video. So that times they fetch the problem of the rules but they cannot recognize the what is the actual problem of the Firestore database, that they cannot insert the data inside the database. So hereby I have give you the solution. So feel free to ask me any question, and if you guys learn from this code anything new, please support my video and just look forward this code. Hope this code is very not so much longer, just a simple code that how to insert the data. And hereby you can see I have used some script which should be linked to the Firebase store. So thanks for watching my video and goodbye for now.